Okay, everybody, when you order our battery module kit, some components need to be reused from original battery pack. Now, let's take a look which components can be reused from your original battery pack. So the first one is BMS, but you need to use program BMS so your dashboard can be displayed the whole range. The second one is relay module, high voltage output bus bar, service plug, current sensor, high voltage output bus bar bracket, and low voltage signal harness. But for these two components, you need to modify them. This one is current sensor. You need to modify this end. This bracket is to support the high voltage output bus bar. You also need to modify it. You need to cut here and here. So these two board sets also need to cut it. This plug is PTC plug, and high voltage output plug, and low voltage signal harness plug. These two plugs need to be reused them later. So you just need to keep them on the battery case. These all components are from original battery pack. You will need to use them later. Please note that there may be slight differences between different vehicle models. Remember to read our installation manual before assembly. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching. Bye-bye.